Did you know most people miss the beauty beneath the surface simply because they're using the wrong snorkel gear? Today we're diving into the best snorkel gear that makes every moment clearer, safer, and unforgettable. Welcome to the channel. Stick with me, this guide will save you money and upgrade your next adventure. All product links are in the description, so check them out. The number 6 product on our list is JRing Snorkel Gear. Most people don't realize this until they're already out in the water. Your entire snorkeling experience can be ruined by a leaky mask or a snorkel that floods the moment a wave rolls in. That's why this setup immediately feels like a breath of relief the first time you try it. There's a sense of safety built right into the design, and it gives you the confidence to focus on the ocean instead of the gear. The dry top breathing system is the star here, sealing instantly when submerged and clearing any water with a quick purge, something cheaper snorkel sets just can't match. It keeps the rhythm smooth, natural, and calm. And compared to stiff skirts that leave red marks or break the seal every time you smile, this silicone frame adapts gently to your face, making long underwater sessions feel effortless. The HD lens adds an unexpected clarity too, giving colors more depth and making underwater details pop in a way low-cost masks rarely deliver. In terms of comfort and reliability, it easily outperforms many basic two-piece snorkel kits, and the adjustable straps help it fit a wide range of users without constant readjusting. The lightweight feel and included mesh bag make it a convenient travel companion, though advanced divers might prefer something with even wider vision. Still, for beginner to mid-level snorkelers who want dependable, comfortable, confidence-boosting equipment, this is a smart, reassuring pick. It solves the biggest problems: leaks, fog, and inconsistent airflow, while keeping the experience simple and enjoyable. At number 5 is Seaview Snorkel Gear. Most people don't realize how limiting a traditional snorkel mask can feel until they try something engineered to remove every point of frustration. That's exactly why this setup instantly grabs your attention. It creates that rare mix of freedom, clarity, and peace of mind that turns a simple ocean swim into something almost cinematic. The redesigned airflow system is the first thing you notice. Breathing feels natural, steady, and far easier than the stiff, older, full-face masks that often leave beginners anxious. Here, the dual-chamber layout and multiple intake valves keep the air fresh and the experience calm, giving you confidence instead of resistance. The panoramic view adds another layer of excitement. The perspective is wider, cleaner, and noticeably more immersive compared to smaller lens masks or basic snorkel sets. Everything feels sharper, from distant reefs to tiny flashes of color beneath you. And while many full-face masks struggle with fogging or leaking, the internal air circulation and ergonomic seal here solve that problem gracefully, making long sessions feel effortless. It outperforms entry-level gear with ease, though people who prefer diving deeper might still want a traditional mask for freediving flexibility. The fit options are a major win too, offering a level of personalization that many competing masks overlook. Once adjusted, the comfort feels reassuring and secure, especially for travelers or families who want something dependable. If you're looking for a safe, enjoyable, highly stable snorkeling experience that reduces stress and increases confidence, this is the smart pick. It delivers comfort, visibility, and smooth breathing without demanding expert skill. Ideal for casual explorers and vacation adventurers who want gear they can trust. At number 4 is Ubekezele Snorkel Gear. Most people don't realize how much confidence a good snorkeling kit can give them until they switch from basic rental gear to something built for real comfort and clarity. That's exactly why this setup stands out right away. It solves the biggest fear new snorkelers face: foggy lenses, leaking masks, and stiff fins that ruin the moment. Here, everything feels smoother, safer, and far more enjoyable, almost like upgrading from guessing your way underwater to actually seeing the ocean the way it's meant to be seen. The tempered glass mask gives a clean, wide view with an anti-fog finish that genuinely holds up, and the dry top snorkel takes the stress out of sudden splashes by shutting out water instantly. The breathing feels natural and open, a huge relief compared to rigid tubes that make you pause every few seconds. The fins are another win, flexible, stable, and forgiving on the ankles. They make gliding through water feel effortless, especially for beginners who tire quickly. Against one-piece snorkel sets, this 4-in-1 kit feels more balanced and travel-friendly, especially with its lightweight storage bag. It's not ideal for deep diving or super technical swimming, but But for vacation adventures and relaxed reef exploring, it hits that sweet spot between comfort and performance. If you want a setup that reduces anxiety, increases clarity, and gives you that reassuring sense of being prepared, this is a smart pick. It delivers thoughtful design, dependable fit, and smooth underwater movement that feels genuinely uplifting. Perfect for casual travelers, first-timers, and anyone who wants gear that makes the ocean feel welcoming instead of intimidating. The third one on our list is Viginsul Snorkel Gear. Most snorkel trips fall apart for the same reason: uncomfortable masks, foggy lenses, and bulky gear that's a nightmare to travel with. That's why this setup immediately feels like a breath of relief. It solves those frustrations with a lightweight, foldable design that actually fits into a small travel bag, giving you that rare mix of portability and dependable performance. The upgraded dry top snorkel stands out first. Breathing feels natural and smooth thanks to its redesigned airflow system that keeps water out and keeps your confidence high. The silicone skirt feels soft against the skin and seals without that annoying pressure that cheaper masks create, making long snorkeling sessions genuinely enjoyable. What really elevates the experience is the panoramic flat lens view. No distortion, no dizziness, just clear underwater scenery that makes exploring reefs feel unforgettable. Compared to stiffer, heavier sets, these fins are flexible and friendly on your ankles with a wide, adjustable range that makes sharing easy and reduces sizing stress before your trip. They don't offer the same power as long professional fins, but for travelers and casual snorkelers, the comfort trade-off is worth it. If you want something that packs small, fits well, and gives you that safe, confident feeling the moment you hit the water, this one delivers beautifully. It brings together comfort, clarity, and smart design in a way that feels truly travel-ready and thoughtfully built. Ideal for beginners, vacationers, and anyone who wants gear that removes the fear and leaves only the fun. On number 2 is Greatever Snorkel Gear. Most people don't realize this until they're already in the water. A snorkel set can make or break your entire trip. Foggy lenses, water leaks, uncomfortable straps, one bad experience is enough to ruin a perfect vacation. That's why this setup instantly feels like a smart, confidence-boosting upgrade the moment you put it on, delivering that calm, secure feeling travelers truly want from quality snorkel gear. The tempered glass mask stands out first. Clear, wide, and distortion-free, it creates that immersive panoramic window that makes underwater colors look richer and more alive. The silicone skirt feels soft and seals naturally without pressing too hard, something cheaper sets never get right. Breathing feels smooth and controlled thanks to the dry top system, which actually does its job and keeps water out even when waves surprise you. Compared to bulkier or overly stiff designs, this one feels lighter, cleaner, and more thoughtfully shaped for long sessions. Fans of premium fits will appreciate how easily it molds to different face shapes, making it a comfort-faced pick for both beginners and seasoned travelers. On the downside, it doesn't include fins like a full kit, so pairing it wisely is important, but the quality of the mask alone outperforms many all-in-one bundles. If you want clarity, comfort, and that worry-free breathing experience, this set delivers with a level of refinement that feels genuinely travel-ready. It's ideal for beach vacations, reef exploring, or anyone who values clean visibility and a reliable seal over bulky extras. A dependable, smart-feeling upgrade for anyone ready to explore the water with more peace of mind and fewer frustrations. Now moving to the last one is ZEEPORTE's Snorkel Gear. Most travelers don't realize how much freedom the right snorkel kit can add to a trip until they try one that truly feels built for comfort, clarity, and control. This set instantly gives that sense of relief the moment you unpack it because everything you need is already here and thoughtfully designed to work together. The panoramic mask is the first thing that pulls you in. With its 4-window tempered glass design, the underwater world looks wider, brighter, and more immersive, giving you that calm, almost weightless feeling people chase when exploring reefs. The silicone skirt settles softly against the face, creating a secure seal without that tight, distracting pressure cheaper masks cause. Then comes the dry top snorkel, which solves one of the biggest frustrations new and experienced snorkelers face: water sneaking into the tube. This design shuts instantly when submerged and drains smoothly, making breathing feel easy and natural. Compared to bulkier models, the comfort here feels noticeably more refined. The fins round out the experience with lightweight blades that respond well without exhausting your legs, perfect for long swims or relaxed exploring. Some users may prefer a slightly stiffer fin for speed, but the balance of power and comfort makes these ideal for travel and all-day outings. Packed in a quick-dry mesh bag, the whole setup feels like an adventure kit ready to go. If you want gear that delivers clarity, confidence, and a genuinely enjoyable underwater experience, this set stands out as a smart, travel-friendly choice that brings peace of mind along with performance. So guys, this wraps up our video on the best snorkel gear you can buy right now. I've added all the product links in the description, so make sure to check them out and grab the one that fits your style and game perfectly. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit that like button. It really motivates us to keep bringing you honest, helpful gear guides. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming reviews, comparisons, and buying tips. Your support means everything. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.